How to check if a path is absolute path or relative path in a cross-platform way with Python. Unix absolute path starts with /, whereas Windows starts with alphabet C, or \. Does Python have a standard function to check if a path is absolute or relative?
os.path.isabs returns true if the path is absolute, false if not. The documentation says it works in Windows. I can confirm it works in Linux personally.
And if what you really want is the absolute path, don't bother checking to see if it is, just get the abs path. From Python 3.4 pathlib is available.
Use os.path.isabs.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.